everyone, Simran this side from IELTS Paradise. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video I will discuss with you a next cue card which is a very important one, that is describe a friend whom you consider to be a good leader. In this cue card you have to cover the following main questions, that is who that person is, how do you know that person, how that person behaves, and what qualities of that person makes you think that he is a good leader. A good leader, well, that's a quite philosophical concept. Today, I would like to take this opportunity to explain here about one of my friends whose name is Neeraj, and I consider him to be a natural born leader. He is a friend of mine since childhood. We shared the same schooling institution and in fact we shared the same locality. He is a friend of mine and he's just 20 years old, but he possesses a great sense to differentiate right from the wrong. He demonstrates all the qualities of a good leader. In fact, I can say a great leader. So thank you for asking me such a pretty question. Now I'm getting straight towards him. I met him during my school time. As I already told you that we shared the same schooling institution. Well, to be honest, during my school time, I used to be a very shy kind of person. And I was a very reserved person who also used to feel ashamed when I have to ask some doubts to my teachers. But if I talk about Neeraj, he was completely opposite. He used to represent the whole class. These all things were so easy for him. He also used to participate in the various competitions like group discussion, quiz competitions and debates and declamations as well. So he was a kind of person who was always ready to address the audience. He has a capability to bind the audience very well. So all these qualities of Neeraj demonstrates that he can be a very great leader. So this was all about the person whom I consider to be a great leader. I always recommended him that he could join politics and be a great politician, but actually he wants to become an IAS officer. So I am done with my video. If you are having any doubt, you can comment in the section below and I'll surely clear your doubts. And yes, one more thing, if you want me to make a video on any specific cue card, then do comment. I'll surely make that video. Okay, so the tip of today is you have to watch the video till the end to always get a tip. These tips will surely help you in your speaking module. So the tip of today is that don't try to use the vocabulary which you are not comfortable with. Like if you'll use some difficult words or some high vocabulary which you don't know how to pronounce or you're not comfortable with, don't use it. There is no criteria for high vocabulary. Yes, you should use vocabulary, but there is no criteria that you have to use so difficult words. Use words like in the previous video I used daunting. Yes, in this video I just got an idea in my mind that you can also use the word glossophobia. Basically, the glossophobia is a word which is used for a person is having no fear for going on the stage. Okay, so here as I was talking about Neeraj, you could have said, or I could have said that Neeraj is having no glossophobia. Okay, words like these which are easy to pronounce, you can use them, but don't use so high vocabulary, so difficult words which you are not comfortable with. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much. Firstly, let us understand the meaning of the statement. Your cue card is explain about a person whom you consider to be a great leader. देखो इस स्टेटमेंट का क्या मतलब है कि आप एक ऐसे पर्सन के बारे में एक्सप्लेन करें जिसे आप एक ग्रेट लीडर मानते हैं. ठीक है, तो इस क्यू कार्ड में आप कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स कवर करोगे. नंबर 1, वो पर्सन कौन है, हु दैट पर्सन इज. नंबर 2, हाउ डू यू नो दैट पर्सन, आप उस पर्सन को कैसे जानते हैं. नंबर 3, हाउ दैट पर्सन बिहेव्स, उस पर्सन का बिहेवियर कैसे का है. एंड नंबर 4, what qualities of that person makes you think that he is a good leader. ऐसी उसकी कौन सी क्वालिटीज हैं जो डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करती हैं कि वो एक अच्छा लीडर बन सकता है. So watch the video till the end, and if you have any query you can ask me and surely you will get a tip for speaking at the end of the video.